I'm watching Sleepy Hollow, and it's from 1799. And I was thinking, okay, these people are from 1700s. That's kind of weird. But then he's holding a bird, a cardinal, and it made me realize there's cardinals from the 1700s, right? Like birds from the 1700s.
Yeah,
Isn't that weird?
yeah,
And then there's like horses. Look at that. There's a horse on the screen.
yeah.
There's horses from the 1600s and 50s. There's like gnats from the 1700s. It's
Yeah.
not just people. Isn't it weird that there's a 1750 mosquito?
He needs a little wig, like a little
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah, isn't that? I don't know. I don't know. I find it strange
It is weird.
to just think that there's like other stuff. There's a like a husky from the 17. There's a husky from like 1500.
And yet, like, we can kind of understand, like, trees being old.
That's true. Trees were like, oh, it's from 1350, and that's normal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a
A
tree.
tree is 200 years
Even
old.
turtles were like, oh, that thing's 200 years old. That's
Yeah.
So it's something to do with how long you live
Yeah.
as a species.
Right.
But yeah, maybe. I don't know. Anyway.